Hi Uncle John. After your email yesterday, I thought, hang on, I'll just have a quick word with my friend Skull. Yeah, let's go to my brother. You was on about different sounds on a dog bowl. What do they sound like after being converted? So I've got 3 acoustic guitars, 3 6 strings, and I'll give you a quick sound comparison. So I'll play the same thing on the 3, they're all tuned the same. So first we'll start with Brunswick acoustic. No effects, no nothing, straight into the iPad. So this is what they sound like. So first we'll do this one first. So that's the Brunswick. It's rather a large body because it was a 12 string converted into 6 string, but that's that one. And then we'll do the Hofner Congress. It's a bit of a twangier sound, but probably the same kind of volume, so the same thing. So that's that, and then we'll actually go to a converted acoustic, which is the dog bowl one. Now this is a quite, it's got deeper strings on this one, all the strings are worn out, it's quite a deeper sound, but as volume wise, from 2 normal guitars to this one. It's a little bassy of this one, a little bit bassy, but I like the sound of this, to be fair. It's that nice So there you go, John. 3 guitars, 3 acoustic, one with the dog bowl in. So that's the sound comparison I can give you. I can't give you any advice on what to do, but I can just let you listen to what 3 different guitars and one with the dog bowl. So I hope that helps, mate. Cheers, bye.